In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with Make.com, Beginner Guide. If you're brand new to Make, think of it as a visual automation tool that connects your apps so work moves on its own. And ClickUp is your project hub. Our goal is to get you from a blank dashboard to a curated set of ClickUp-ready automation templates so you can pick the one that fits your workflow and get moving quickly. First, open your browser and go to Make's website and sign in if prompted. You'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on Scenarios. A scenario is Make's term for an automation blueprint. It defines when something should happen and what actions follow, even if you've never built one before. This is the right place to start. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the canvas where you design automations visually. With modules connected by lines, you'll see an empty space that will later hold your trigger and actions. Don't worry about building from scratch just yet. We're going to lean on templates to keep things simple and reliable. Now, choose. Start with a template. Templates are pre-built scenarios created to solve common use cases, which means you can skip guesswork and follow a proven layout. They also help you understand how modules connect and in what order, which is great for learning. In the template library, use the search bar and type ClickUp. Spelling matters here, so make sure it's one word with a capital C and U. This narrows the catalog to anything that mentions or supports ClickUp. Then click on ClickUp in the app list or filter options. This tightens the results to templates that actively use the ClickUp integration, not just mention it. You'll see a range of possibilities, creating tasks from forms, mirroring updates between tools, syncing comments, and more. Finally, select what matches your needs. Open a template's details to review the description, what triggers it uses, and which actions it performs. Look for notes about required permissions or workspaces and make sure the template aligns with how your ClickUp is organized. Think spaces, folders, and lists. If you're just starting out, pick a template with a clear trigger and a single action, like creating a task when something new arrives in another app. Consistency in naming and fields will make setup smoother later. It also helps to consider whether the template runs instantly or on a schedule, depending on how time-sensitive your process is. That's it. You've navigated to Make, found the Scenario Builder, entered the template library, filtered for ClickUp, and chosen a starting point tailored to your workflow. In the next steps, Make will guide you through connecting accounts and fine-tuning fields, but for now, you've set the perfect foundation.